didn't quit eating chicken because I didn't like it. But check this out. If you burned yourself and it blistered, what's in the blister? And they would say, pus or body fluids. And I'd say, okay. So you take that piece of chicken, you stick it in the oven, you pull it out and you open it up. What is that stuff oozing out of that chicken? And they'd go, they've taught you that stuff easing out of that chicken is juice. It's body fluids. You subjected it to high temperatures. You cooked it. And now that stuff is oozing out. But you would never prick that burn. You would never think about pricking that burn and sucking those juices.
No, you wouldn't.
I would do that. People come in and
How'd that speech go over with people?
They tell me that story. A lot of them have transitions because of that.
Yeah.
Because I don't think we think enough about what we're eating, what we're really eating, what we're really ingesting. We don't give enough thought to it.